What if I tell you, you can take 6 volts, 12 volts, even 24 volts input and still get a fixed powerful 5.1 volts output using only 3 components? And yes, this circuit is so powerful, it can melt a wire. In this video, I have made a fixed 5.1 volt DC circuit. No matter if you give it 6 volts, 12 volts, or even 24 volts input, this circuit will always give you a stable 5.1 volt output. And this is not a weak circuit, it is very powerful. Let's quickly see the components used in this circuit. One Z44N MOSFET, one 10K ohm resistor, 1/4 watt, one 7.5 volt Zener diode, and a 6 to 24 volt DC battery or power supply. That's it, very simple. First of all, let's understand the Z44N MOSFET pin configuration. First pin is the gate, second pin is the drain, third pin is the source. This is very important, so connect carefully. Now let's make the circuit. First, take the 10K ohm resistor and connect it between the gate pin and the drain pin of the MOSFET. Next, take the 7.5 volt Zener diode. Connect the cathode side of the Zener diode to the gate pin of the MOSFET. Now connect the anode side of the Zener diode to the negative terminal of the battery. After that, connect the battery positive terminal to the drain pin of the MOSFET. That's it. Our circuit is now complete. Output connection. We take the fixed 5.1 volt positive output from the source pin of the MOSFET, and the negative output comes directly from the battery negative. Testing with 12 volts. Now let's test the circuit. First, I connect a 12 volt battery to the input. As you can see on the multimeter screen, the output voltage is 5.1 volts, perfectly stable. Testing with 24 volts. Now look carefully. I connect one more 12 volt battery, so the total input becomes 24 volts DC. But if you look at the multimeter again, the output is still 5.1 volts. No change. That's the power of this simple circuit. Now I'll show you how powerful this circuit really is. As soon as I connect the negative wire to the source pin of the MOSFET, the wire starts melting immediately. You can see it with your own eyes. This circuit is not only stable, it can also deliver high current at fixed 5.1 volts. So this is how you can make a fixed 5.1 volt high-power DC circuit using a MOSFET and a Zener diode. Simple components, strong output, professional result. If you found this circuit useful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful electronics projects. Comment below if you want current testing, load testing, or a PCB version of this circuit. Thanks for watching.